So working with the headers and footers, I know this could get a little bit complicated, because what you have to bear in mind is that when you're looking at a double page spread at this point in Word, the pages that appear on the left are actually the pages that will appear on the right in the book, and vice versa. So pages 2 and 3 actually create a page spread rather than pages 3 and 4. But we're going to deal with that later. That's not really the issue for now. It only comes into play because we need to remember that what we're putting on the heading on one side actually appears on the other side in the printed version. So first things first, we're going to go back to the header and footer design and click on the link to previous, so that when we add the headers and footers in, they only apply from here on and not to the front of the book. So for my header, eyes on the header, eyes on the beach, is going to appear on one side, and I am going to move that across, line it up with the text block. And again, clicking on link to previous, so it's not connected. It can be a bit confusing. Like there, it just asked, do I want to link, when it wasn't already. But as long as you make sure that you haven't got the same as previous tab here, we'll be okay. And I want to insert the chapter heading, but as you remember, I'm using a heading that literally just has the number. What I actually want to show is this, which is in the subtitle style. So we'll go back into the heading and we're going to insert. Is it on reference? Or is it on? So we're going to click on the Insert tab, and then where we click on is where you find this may vary depending on the version of Word that you're using, but currently it's hidden under Quick Parts, and then click on Field. And we actually want a style reference. Now normally you'll probably be using heading 1, but because I like to make things awkward, I'm actually using the subtitle. And click on OK. But as you can see, it's picked up that this chapter is called A Poolside Encounter. If I move to another chapter, it's picked up the chapter title, and that works all the way through the book. And because we've got different now, up to this point, we've kept the whole of the central part of the book as one section, because that was an easier way to deal with it. But as you can see, on chapter 1, we have the suppressed header and footer. We do actually need to add the folio into the first pages now, don't we? So, insert page number. But because it's all one section, we have the headers that we don't want. So I'm going to go through and insert section breaks. And that removes from the first section. So I just need to do that for each chapter, and that will take them off. Okay, so apply headers and footers and your folio numbers. Any problems, leave a comment in the course discussion, and